All right, everybody. So this is part 2 about the video I made earlier about people coming forward about Andre DeWin from Pinnacle Credit Repair, Pinnacle Credit Management, Pinnacle whatever. It's a different name every day, it seems. But the people that have reached out so far, I have either helped them or they just simply wanted to make a video to warn others about Andre so they won't get scammed like they did. We are helping them with filing police reports and filing reports with the FTC as well. So if you or someone you know was a victim of his credit repair scam, please reach out to us. We would love to make a video or even do an interview with you. If you prefer to do that, we can blot your face out so nobody can see your face if you prefer that. Just remember, all the threats this guy throws at you, because he does that a lot, just remember one thing: he is stuck in Vietnam and he is not allowed back in the States. If he comes back to the States, he will go straight to jail. If y'all have any questions, leave them in the comments. Hope y'all have a great day.